Hi, this is Ali Zafar.
And this is Yami Gautam, and you're watching us on BollywoodHangama.com.
Your sister in the film, apparently, even she is having, I think, a liking for Ali Zafar and all those shoelaces and all that stuff. Somehow the dirty dancing bit and everything. किस किस्म का स्यापा है?
जब आप फिल्म देखेंगे, आप देखेंगे किस कॉन्टेक्स्ट में सब वो चीज़ें हैं, वो क्या सीन्स है, वो क्या सिचुएशन है, या मेरी सिस्टर वो एक्चुअली वो करना क्या चाह रही है, वो क्या कहना चाह रही है, या उसका बैकग्राउंड क्या है. You'll come to know more when you watch the film.
Okay.
So the sister is kind of the stress releaser also.
Yeah.
वो किस चीज़ की
What sort of stress is she releasing?
उस दिन जो स्ट्रेस आ जाता है इसके घर जाके, और सिर्फ ये नहीं होता कि जाके कुछ उसकी माँ से कुछ मसला हो गया, कुछ एक बहुत बड़े बड़े मसले उस दिन हो जाते हैं और ये उसमें उतना फंसता जा रहा है. तो एक पॉइंट ऐसा आता है विच द सिस्टर इज लाइक कि चलो हैव अ लिटिल ड्रिंक एंड दिस. कहता मैं नहीं पीता, मैं पीता ही नहीं हूँ, थोड़ा तो कहना चाहिए. Right. And then yeah, start dancing.
Another syapa. How exactly were you relieving the loneliness of Dadaji somehow?
Yeah, Dadaji was such an adorable, lovely character.
This is scandalous actually.
One of the most hilarious, funny scenes in the film.
That you shot also.
Yeah, that I shot also. While I was doing it, I was like, what the doing? What's happening here? So, I mean, it's a scene to watch.
And he wants to just shoot you as well. He has his gun ready as well.
I mean, in the beginning, he's like an ex-army officer. So वो तो उसका थोड़ा सा तो वो रहता है.
होता है ना सबको जो रिटायर हो जाते हैं, थोड़ा बताने का, थोड़ा बैकग्राउंड, थोड़ा फ्लॉन्ट में ये था, मैं वो था.
Right.
Tries to escape the conversation from her and her mother. और बाथरूम में चला जाता है to fix something. Daddu is blind, so he opens the door and walks into the bathroom. So then Aman is trying to do कि मैं यहाँ नहीं हूँ. So then Daddu comes to do his whatever, and
then
Aman is stuck.
we've seen it. Yeah. So you need not.
That is a very funny scene.
Your mother, Kiran Kher, is worried about you marrying a Pakistani, but I think you tell her that she has her own share of worries as far as her marriage is concerned. So what exactly is happening with Anupam Kher actually?
This is the first time that they're coming together on screen, and it'll be very interesting to see.
Absolutely.
तो वो भी इसी का एक हिस्सा है कि जो मेरे पापा हैं अनुपम खेर, उनकी लाइफ में क्या चल रहा है. So it's just a mix and match, a lot of things happening, some confusion, some तो हो सकता है मेरे दिमाग में बहुत हज़ार चीज़ें हैं, बिकॉज सुबह से कोई ना कोई टेंशन हुई जा रही है. सबसे पहली बात, मम्मी ने ये छापा डाल दिया, जय माता दी बोलो, the moment she comes to know that he's, you know, and not an Indian and all that stuff.
First scene when I go and meet her and she's like, Namaste beta. I mean, she's expecting me to touch her feet, but we say salam. So I say salam and she's like, I'm नहीं छुए.
And I'm like, मम्मी, मतलब उनको मैंने घर पे सिखाया होगा पहले से कि ऐसे मत expect वो सब शो में
gradually you just reading them. The entire India-Pakistan paradigm, the way we have, I think it's far more serious as well somewhere. And Aman Ki Asha, I think that was the title of your film earlier. How do you look at that entire thing, maybe on a more serious note? Somehow?
I'm a staunch believer in the fact that India and Pakistan really need to move forward, and good relations for both the countries are very important for each other's progress. See? So I mean, a lot of people have realized that on many levels, and there will always be naysayers and haters. You have to be positive and start loving each other, and love is already there.
It's already there, exactly.
Yeah. Because people haven't been to Pakistan about Pakistanis internationally, कि Pakistanis ऐसे होते हैं, and that is also what the film is talking about. Which when her mother says to कि तू पाकिस्तानी ये करते हैं वो करते हैं, इसी तरह शायद वहाँ पे इंडियंस के बारे में भी हो vice versa. Why? Because कोई आपस में आके बैठने के मौके नहीं है, एक दूसरे को समझने के, बात करने के, सिवाय मीडिया पे, टीवी चैनल्स पे देख लेते हैं. I've always believed in that very strongly, and I'm an example of this thing, and people should look at मैं इंडिया में आके काम कर रहा हूँ. I'm getting all the love from here and acceptance and everything. It's all there. You just have to be at the right place and think positively and believe in the fact that love transcends everything. And this is what the film is talking about. Okay, love is beyond caste, creed, culture, and everything. And once you start loving, everything seems so simple. And why are there so many complications and all of that? So it's about time. I think our generation deserves more. And because we have not, obviously we have not experienced whatever has happened in the past, and so do we want to take that baggage along with us and also put that on our kids and all that, or do we want to live happily and peacefully and understand each other, that there are good and bad people on both sides, everywhere in the world?